Let me show you how to design a poster in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating a new file, size 21 by 29.7 centimeters. Set the resolution to 200 and then press Create. To get started, choose the Type tool and follow along with these steps. This is the font that I'm using. You can download all fonts from the description below. Start by writing your word. Follow these settings. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Duplicate this image. Go ahead and select this layer, then hide the layer above it. Go to Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask. Now select this layer and rename it Shadow. Drag it below the image layer, then unhide it. Hold Alt and click on the mask to create an inverted mask. By inverting the mask, we've hidden the whole layer. Nothing is visible right now. Choose the Brush tool. Choose the soft round brush. Set the opacity to 100 and reduce the flow. Set the foreground color to white. Follow this process. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Change the blending mode to multiply. Now hold Shift and choose these two layers, and let's group them by hitting this icon. Rename the group and let's choose a color for this group. Now select the group folder and adjust its position. Follow along these steps. Add a layer mask. Choose the Brush tool. Choose the hard round brush. Set the opacity and flow to 100%. Set the foreground color to black. Follow these steps to achieve the same look. Right-click here and choose Select Pixels. Go ahead and click on the mask and follow along with me. Go to Select and choose Deselect. Choose this text layer. Select the Type tool. We're going to add some text right here. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This is the font that I'm using. You can download all fonts from the description below. Go ahead and select the first word, then apply this red color. Press Ctrl T and let's scale it while holding the Shift button. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Choose the Type tool and let's write our text. Follow these steps to achieve the same look. If you have any questions, write them below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Follow these settings. Hold Shift and select these two text layers. Align them like this. Next, we're going to add another text. I'll show you the exact font I used here. Just follow along. Right-click on the text, then hold Alt and drag it to the right to make a copy. Follow this process. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now choose the background layer. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient. I've already set up my gradient. Let me show you the colors and how to do it. I start with a light blue for the first color. Then I am choosing a yellow for the next one. Finally, I will use white for the last. When you finish, press OK. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Change the blending mode to soft light. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Drag this layer on top of the image folder. Now, right-click here and select the big text layer. Duplicate it like this, then place it right here on top. Drag the layer down like this. Let's change its color to light gray color. Press Ctrl-T to scale it. Reduce the fill. For the last step, select the Type tool and write your text. I've already written mine, and I'll show you the font I used. This is the font that I'm using. Follow these settings. Now choose the Rectangle tool and let's draw a rectangle right here. Follow these steps to achieve the same look. I will choose this red color. And no stroke color. Drag this rectangle layer under the text layer. Change the text layer to white color. If you have any questions, write them below, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.